of Amando College. Have you ever wondered on how the foods we eat turns into waste or feces? Well, if you do, I am here to help you understand that kind of process. The process of breaking down the food in the body is also known as the digestive system. So what is digestive system? So the digestive system is a group of organs working together to convert food into energy and basic nutrients to feed the entire body. We have the mouth, pharynx, esophagus, stomach, pancreas, small and large intestine that consists the system. I have here a video to show to you the continuous process of the system. But before that, here are some important terms and concepts that you need to know. First one, we have the epiglottis. It is a small flap of tissue which closes the windpipe to prevent the food from entering the lungs by mistake. Next is the esophagus. It is a muscular tube connecting the pharynx and the stomach. Next is the esophageal sphincter. It closes and traps the food inside the stomach. It is a seed-like structure, size of a person's 2 fists placed next to each other. Small intestine. It is a long thin tube about 1 inch in diameter and about 10 feet long. Pancreas. It is a large gland about 6 inches long. Large intestine. It is a long thick tube about 2.5 inches in diameter and about 5 feet long. And lastly, we have the rectum. It collects all the undigested food or feces. Okay, now we come to the video. So the system begins with the ingestion of food through the mouth. The food is being crushed and grind by the teeth, mixed and moistened by the liquid saliva, and is pushed back to the pharynx by the tongue and other muscles. But before swallowing, a small flap of tissue, which is the epiglottis, closes the windpipe to prevent the food from entering the lungs by mistake. Food passes down the esophagus. It is a tube connecting pharynx to stomach. At the end of it is a muscular ring, which is called the esophageal sphincter, that closes and traps the food inside. So as you can see, the stomach breaks down the food into smaller pieces called chyme. So these chyme are exits through the pyloric sphincter, enters to the duodenum, and to the small intestine. So, small intestine is a long thin tube about 1 inch in diameter and about 10 feet long. So as you can see, it is a coil-like hose full of ridges and folds. These folds are used to maximize the digestion of food and absorption of nutrients. Pancreas is a large gland about 6 inches long. Its head is connected to the duodenum and its tail pointing to the stomach. It secretes digestive enzymes into the small intestine to complete the digestive or the chemical digestion of the foods. So, the food travels through the large intestine or the colon. So the colon is a large or long thick tube about 2.5 inches in diameter and about 10 feet long. So the function of the large intestine or the colon are it absorbs water, produces mucus, manufactures vitamins, forms and expels feces. So all the undigested food are being collected by the rectum, and soon it is being expelled by the anus. And that's how the system works. So, to determine whether you have learned from a short discussion, I have prepared a question for you to answer. So, the question is, what happens to the digestive system if a person suffers from a digestive imbalances? So that's all for today. Thank you and goodbye.